In this video, I'll be covering how to fix the misalignment of the gear shift indicator, showing you the assembly, its location, the cause of the issue, and how you can repair it without needing to buy a new part. This tutorial applies to the 1980 through 1989 Lincoln Continental Mark VI models and may also apply to town cars of the same era. I'll be using my 1983 Lincoln Continental Mark VI Emilio Pucci Coupe for demonstration. The tools you'll need are Phillips and/or flathead screwdrivers, flashlight, ignition key for your car, optional equipment, zip ties, duct tape, and/or superglue. Before starting, I recommend disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid hearing the door chime while working. To access the assembly, locate the screws on the U-shaped panel beneath your steering column. Remove the screws and slide the panel downward to remove it. Misalignment is often caused by the indicator cable either detaching from the support ring or the ring itself breaking. Insert the ignition key, turn it forward to unlock the steering wheel, and press the brake pedal. Move the gear shift rod from park to the fourth position, which is overdrive. You'll adjust the indicator based on this position. Here are a couple of repair options. Remove the broken ring around the steering column, unscrew the supporting clamp, glue the broken ends of the ring, and reposition it around the column. Then, reinsert and tighten the clamp screw once the orange tab lines up with both the two dots and the letter D in overdrive. Number 2, if the ring is still around the column, adjust it so the orange tab covers the two dots and the letter D. Then use duct tape to temporarily hold it in place. Then loosely wrap zip ties around the column and ring. Then gradually tighten the zip ties while making sure the orange tab stays aligned. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.